You had to call the cops like a little baby. I'm gonna wait for the police to arrive. Cop caller right there. Back up off me now. Back up off me. You just got owned and now your butt hurt.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In early November of 2020, Freedom to Film was taking pictures and video outside of the St. Joseph County Ducombe Center, a community-based residential facility that serves as an alternative to incarceration. Shortly after his arrival, he was approached by multiple employees.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Alright, what you doing?
Just checking it out.
Checking what out?
The facility here.
Huh?
The facility here.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Excuse me?
What's your name?
I'm Joan.
I'm Joe, or you're Joan? Oh, nice to meet you, Joan.
Is there a reason why you're recording?
Just checking it out. Doing a little story.
You're doing a story.
Yeah.
Despite observing lawful behavior by a citizen, Miss Jones now calls for backup. But before we continue, I want to show you the last wallet you'll ever buy. Extra reimagined the traditional wallet with a totally new style, and they've made it even harder to lose. Extra wallets are a sleek, minimalist design made with high quality leather, aluminum, or carbon fiber that holds up to 12 cards and cash with the click of a button. They have built-in RFID protection and a solar-powered tracking device that uses a two-way ring system to deliver separation alerts and track the wallet's location. And if you don't want to use their tracker, they even make wallets that hold Apple's AirTags. I just got their key holder and key tracker too, so I'll be able to find them if I leave them somewhere by mistake. I've used a few styles, but my favorites are the Parliament, which has room for 12 cards, cash, and a pocket for the tracker or tool card. But I also like the modular bifold. It has a removable, magnetic card holder, so if you don't need to carry everything, remove the insert and take what you need. Their holiday sale is now live, so be sure to visit using my link in the pinned comment or description and use the code LackLuster at checkout to get up to 25% off your order today. And now, back to the video, where Miss Jones has called for backup.
Can I help you, sir?
No thanks. I didn't ask for help. I'm alright.
You're on county property.
And who paid? Where's the sign that say I can't? Is
You're
there
on county property.
I know. Who pays for this property?
Doesn't matter who pays for it.
It does
You're not
matter.
authorized to be here.
Where's the signs
If
that
you do
say?
not leave, I will call the police and have you arrested for trespassing.
Okay.
After a brief interaction, the employees called 911 in an attempt to get Freedom to Film trespassed off the property.
He wants us to call the police.
Well, no, I don't want you to call the police. I would rather you just respect my rights and not go that route.
What does he want?
I don't need anything. Did I ask you guys for anything?
Well, I have a right. You're on my property.
Your property. Do you pay for?
I'm the director.
Okay. Do the taxpayers? Do you guys receive tax money?
You have Mr.
41.
Thompson, handle that. I got that. Thank you.
Okay.
4161 Lathrop. We have a trespasser.
How am I trespassing?
You refusing to leave the county?
No, I never refused.
1 Lathrop Street. It's in South End. I'm calling from 229-5814. Beacon Center, and we have a trespasser that's here.
How am I trespassing, sir?
Cameras videotaping the people as they come in and out.
No.
To leave, and he's refusing to
You never asked me to leave. So you're wasting resources, sir. I was ready to leave until you come out.
Parking lot. No, I don't. What's your name? You don't want to get his name.
They know who I am, so you might as well just hang the phone up and go back about your business.
Thank you. Bye.
Are they coming?
Yep.
All right. Can you tell me what crime I've committed?
You can leave the property. I can tell you that.
All right, well, I'll go to the street here. But when the cops come, they're going to educate you that this place is publicly accessible, receives local tax money, and I have a right to come and check it out. I already hear him saying he's one of those sovereign citizens.
You want to keep going? You're still on property.
Well, when the police come and they educate you, you'll see that I will be able to come back on this property because you don't own this property.
Neither do you.
I do. I pay taxes. Yeah. Who pays? Okay, the county.
I pay taxes too.
Yeah. So you're just a part of it, but you can't make that call to tell somebody to leave public property, sir.
This is not public property.
Is it open to the public? Is it open to the public?
Leave the property.
Is it open to the public?
Leave the property.
Is it open to the public? Answer my question. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to wait for the police to arrive so you can get your education today.
That's fine. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Can you educate this guy, please? How am I trespassing? See? There we go.
He's not breaking a law. Is he stopping anybody from coming or going?
There you go. He made a false report.
Okay. If he comes up on the door, if he's stopping people or...
Nope. Nope. I was reading the signs on the door.
He can stand as long as he wants.
Exactly. See, buddy? No. No. Who pays for this? Who pays for this? This is publicly accessible, buddy.
Okay, he's trying to provoke you.
No, I'm not. What's your name, sir?
Jim, what's yours?
My name's Freedom.
Hi, Freedom?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jim.
He can stand out here as long as he wants.
See?
He just can't interfere with...
I interfered with nobody. The whole thing's recorded.
I'm recording too.
Good deal. I appreciate that.
So,
I appreciate that.
okay. Did you need help with anything?
No, I was just checking the place out.
Okay.
Just checking it out.
How long are you going to be out here?
I was at the back
Is that
there
your
just...
car over there?
I don't answer questions, sir.
Okay. Well, how long are you going to be out
I was almost out of here. I was over towards the back there, and then they approached me, and I would have been out of here if they wouldn't have...
I'm not mad at you.
No, I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you.
So I'm just asking. This is called conversation.
Exactly. I appreciate it.
How long are you going to be out here?
I'll say 5 minutes.
Okay.
I was just going to go walk to the back, check out the trail going to the city.
When you're done doing your filming, I'm guessing you'll probably be going somewhere else.
No, I'll be going home.
Okay.
And that'll be it. Hey, listen, I tried to tell him he's wasting resources by making that call. He couldn't help himself.
Have a good weekend, okay?
You too, man. You stay safe out there, Jim. Appreciate you.
All right, thanks.
Did you get educated, sir? I'm sorry that you wouldn't listen to me. Education 101. Tail tucked. The walk of shame.
Even after the police arrived and notified the employees of the Ducombe Center that what Freedom to Film was doing is legal, the person who initiated contact and called 911 tried to escalate the situation.
Did you guys learn something today? This is public property, publicly accessible. I'm not breaking any laws.
Do what you do and just go on about your business.
I am. I'm gonna. I just want. I'm gonna.
Do what you gotta do.
I am. I'm gonna record you now, just so you don't. So you don't try to attack me when the cops leave. So, there you go.
Do what you gonna do.
I was doing what I was gonna do, and then you had to call the cops like a little baby.
Do what you gonna do and go on about your business.
I'm gonna.
For your protection, not mine.
What's that?
That was for your protection.
No. Back up off me now. Back up off me.
I'm on county property.
You're up in my face. Get out of my face now.
I'm on county property.
Well, don't back. I got personal space. Get out of my face.
This is my personal space.
Get out of my face.
I'm not touching you, am I?
You're right up in my grill.
I'm not touching you.
Back off.
I'm not doing anything to you.
Well, you're too close.
I'm standing here.
You are too close.
I'm standing here.
You are too close.
This is public property.
Exactly, but you're up in my face.
This is public property.
I'm gonna walk back.
And I'm allowed
Don't
to
approach
stand
me.
On public property. Ain't that what you just said?
You just got owned, and now your butt hurt. You just got owned. So I was just checking out the Ducombe Center here until I was approached by this guy, and then he called the cops like a little baby. He's Started crying and then called the cops. Cop caller right there. He thought he lied and said I was trespassing. So that concludes that. I got the full video. I just went live because he cried like a little baby, called the cops. Have a good day, sir. You have a good day, ma'am.
If you enjoyed this video, please go over to Freedom to Film's channel and let him know that I sent you. If you have an interaction that you'd like me to review, email it or submit it through Facebook Messenger. Those links are down below.